Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news straight from the Spy Shot vault. BMW is cooking up the next-gen 3 Series sedan, and yes, it's sticking with an internal combustion engine. So, for all the ICE purists out there, breathe easy. But here's the kicker. The spy photos hint at a bold new look inspired by the futuristic 2023 Vision Neue Klasse concept. The current Gen 3 series has been around since 2019 and has been updated twice, once for 2023 and again for 2025. Now this camouflaged test car, it's clearly signaling a new era for BMW's legendary sedan. Spotted updates include redesigned headlights and a slimmed-down kidney grille, classic yet modern. At the back, high-mounted taillights and quad exhaust tips make one thing clear. This baby is staying true to its gas-powered roots. What's really turning heads, though, is how much this prototype echoes the Vision Neue Klasse. The sleek roof pillars, extended windows, and a greenhouse that looks massive. It's all there. But don't worry, they've toned down some of the concept's more radical elements. The hood is back to a more conventional design, and unlike the concept's handle-free doors, this version sports flush-mounted handles that look super slick. As for when this next-gen 3 Series will officially roll out, BMW hasn't spilled the beans yet. Most signs point to a 2026 model year launch. Expect the usual suspects under the hood. The 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder and the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engines should make a comeback. BMW might revive the 330e plug-in hybrid, especially with emissions regulations tightening up. And if that's not enough, the EV version of the Neue Klasse promises game-changing tech. An 800-volt architecture, batteries with 20% higher energy density, and software tweaks that boost driving range by a solid 30%. So what do you guys think? Does this next-gen 3 Series sound like a hit or miss? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more killer updates and reviews. Until next time, keep it locked here on the channel.